Hello everyone, and in this video I will compare Monzo versus Revolut versus Starling, and we will see the general overview, the best for traveling, the best for savings, the account feature, the additional feature, the fund protection and the conclusion. But first, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's begin. Overview. Monzo, Revolut and Starling, emerging as innovative players in the banking sector, made their debut in the UK within a similar time frame. Specializing in digital-only current accounts, each of them presents a complementary account option. In this assessment, we delve into a comparative analysis of their application and functionalities, evaluating their suitability for overseas transactions and savings. Best for traveling. Monzo. Receiving your Monzo card is free of charge and there are no fees for making international payments with it. In terms of ATM withdrawals, there are a combined UK and EU allowance of £250 every 30 days, and a 3% charge is imposed once this limit is surpassed. Outside these regions, you can withdraw up to £200 every 30 days before the 3% fee is applied. Revolut. The issuance of your Revolut card comes at a cost of £4.99. Utilizing the card abroad is free for the first £1,000 spent each month, beyond which a 0.5% fee is levied. When it comes to ATM withdrawals, the initial £200 per month is exempt from charge, but a 2% fee applies thereafter. Starling. Starling provides its bank card without any issuance charges. Whether you are spending on or withdrawing cash from an ATM worldwide, Starling does not impose any fees. The winner? Opting for Starling is advisable, given the free card issuance and the absence of charge for card usage abroad. The best for savings. Monzo. Dive into spending categorization tools, monthly summaries, and the convenience of spare change runs out. Create pots to earmark funds for specific goals, although these regular pots do not accrue interest and the main account balance remains interest-free. However, Monzo extends the option to open an interest-bearing savings account or pot through affiliated financial providers seamlessly managed within the Monzo app. Revolut. Unlock spending categorization, analysis, and the flexibility of setting a daily spending limit. Embrace the concept of spare charge round subs and leverages Revolut's unique vault system, allowing you to allocate funds into distinct pots for targeted savings. The interest earned on these vaults varies based on your chosen account plan, with no interest applicable to the main account balance. Starling. Experience spending categorization, insightful analysis, and innovative spare charge round sub. Notably, Starling stands out as the sole provider offering interest on the main account balance, up to £85,000, at a competitive 3.24% AAR interest rate. Introduce financial discipline with goals for targeted savings through the platform lacks the option to establish linked interest-paying savings account. The winner. While all three banks provide budgeting tools and the ability to allocate funds for specific purposes, none offer interest on this allocation. Starling uniquely provides interest on the main account balance, and Monzo distinguishes itself by enabling users on a free current account plan to open an interest-paying savings account through external providers. Account features. Monzo. Seamlessly set up your account, your regular direct debits and enjoy free UK bank transfer with Monzo. Cash deposit can be made at pay points incurring a £1 charge, and checks can be sent to Monzo via free post. Free cash withdrawals in the UK are available up to the first £250 every 30 days with the 3% fee applicable thereafter. The card freezing and unfreezing feature is conveniently accessible through the app. Revolut. Utilize Revolut to establish direct debits and conduct free bank transfer within UK. However, cash and checks deposit are not supported, and UK ATMs withdrawals are not complimentary up to the initial £200 each month. Beyond this limit, a 2% fee is imposed, with a minimum charge of £1. The app facilitated the convenient freezing and unfreezing of your card. Starling. Opt for a Starling account to effortlessly establish direct debits and conduct free bank transfer within UK. Enjoy the added convenience of depositing cash at post office branches at no cost and depositing checks by capturing images through the app. The card freeze and unfreeze functionality is also available through the app. The winner, Starling emerged as the preferred choice. While the three banks share similar features, Starling's advantage lies in free ATMs withdrawals as well as complimentary cash and checks deposits. Additional feature. Monzo offers savings account and energy switching through partners in its marketplace, facilitates international money transfer via Wise, provides a bill splitting feature, and supports joint account and overdraft. Revolut facilitate cost-free international money transfer within the single euro payments area (SEPA), allows holdings multiple currencies, providers pay-per-day medical travel insurance, offer a Revolut Junior Child account, incorporates a group bill feature for splitting joint purchase, includes an essential comparison service for utilities and home services, and enables the purchase of gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, or shares through its trading platform. Starling extend a range of products including insurance, pension, mortgages, and investment opportunities through partner in its marketplace, allows international money transfer, feature a bill splitting function, introduce the connected card for delegated purchase, provides joint account, overdraft, personal loan, and offer the option to open a Starling Kite Shield account. The winner? The ideal choice depends on the specific feature that holds the most value for you. Both Revolut and Starling offer linked children's account. Monzo and Starling provide overdraft option, and Revolut stand out with the ability to purchase cryptocurrency or shares. Funds protection. Monzo, as a fully licensed UK bank, Monzo offers robust protection for individual customer funds, with amounts up to £85,000 covered by the Financial Service Compensation Scheme. Revolut. Despite lacking a full UK banking license, Revolut adheres to regulation requiring the safeguarding of customer funds in a separate account at a licensed UK bank. This precautionary measure ring-fences the funds in case of Revolut's bankruptcy, providing a level of protection even though it falls outside the scope of the Financial Services Compensation Scheme (FSCS). Starling. Similar to Monzo, Starling holds a full UK banking license, ensuring the protection of individual customer funds up to £85,000 through the Financial Service Compensation Scheme. The winner? Monzo and Starling stand out for their FSCS protection, providing customers with an added layer of security. While Revolut's funds are subjected to safeguarding rules, it offers a legal level of protection despite not falling under the FSCS umbrella. Conclusion. With their robust mobile application and advanced money management feature, Revolut, Monzo and Starling emerge as a reliable day-to-day banking solution, especially for those transitioning to digital-only banking. The choice among the three depends on your specific needs and frequency of international transaction. Monzo, offering FCGS protection, presents a well-rounded package. Standard digital banking features like spending categorization and summaries, spare charge runs up, and the option to apply for an overdraft are available. While lacking a linked kids account, Monzo allows cash and checks deposit and provides access to its marketplace for exploring energy deals. Revolut, while lacking FSCS protection, overdraft facilities, and cash checks deposit option, compensates with a range of unique features. These include the Revolut Junior Child account, complimentary SEPA money transfer, and the versatile Essential Hub facilitating collaboration with various service providers. Notably, the platform distinguished itself by allowing users to buy and sell diverse commodities, cryptocurrencies, and shares. Starling emerged as a comprehensive choice, standing out as the sole provider with completely fee-free spending and cash withdrawals domestically and internationally. It goes beyond by offering cash and checks deposit services, coupled with FSCS protection. Additional features include spending inside tools, a linked Starling Kite Child account, overdraft option, and the flexibility to sign up for products from other financial providers in its marketplace. And there we have it. If you find this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.